for COVID survivors battling chronic health problems, including breathing.
Channel 3 Chief Capital reporter Susan Raff is joining us right now to share a new treatment that is helping. Susan.
Mark, this is really something. Doctors have been using lasers to treat all sorts of ailments and in many cases inflammation. COVID can cause inflammation of the lungs, and those who have been treated with laser therapy tell us it's really helped.
So I had COVID in May on Mother's Day, matter of fact.
Rhonda Wojas is a nurse. She was out of work for over 8 weeks.
I had a lot of shortness of breath. Every time I would have a conversation, I would start coughing with wheezing.
She was given inhalers with steroids, but it didn't help. At the same time, she was getting laser treatments to reduce inflammation from a shoulder injury. And her doctor suggested that same therapy for her lungs.
I would say within probably after the second treatment, I definitely noticed that I was not coughing as much at all. After the last 2 treatments, even my shortness of breath has decreased tremendously.
And how long does it last? And is it painful?
It is not painful at all. It's not painful at all. All I do is I lay down and they put the laser on my lung field right here for 19 and a half minutes.
And in Europe and in other countries, laser is very much well adopted.
Dr. Scott Sigman is the chief medical officer at Ortho Laser in Massachusetts, where he's using laser therapy to help those with COVID-related breathing problems. Lasers are powerful anti-inflammatories used on shoulders and other parts of the body. Dr. Sigman is the first to treat lung tissue.
The beautiful thing about the laser is that it's completely non-toxic. It's a cold laser. It does not generate heat energy.
Rhonda is no longer using inhalers and is feeling better.
There are treatments that might be able to help other people. I mean, I said it's made a definite difference in my life in just the few weeks that I've been doing it.
Ortho Laser recently opened an office here in Connecticut in Southington, and we should also point out that insurance does not cover this treatment. We are told that COVID patients normally need about 10 sessions, and it costs about $70 for each treatment. Susan Raff, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.
Laser is really very effective in fighting against COVID. This is my own testimony that I can share with you. One of my relatives is tested positive together with the friends. I think the friends went to some gathering and both of them actually got tested positive for COVID-19. My relative, this particular person is actually is actually a cancer survivor. So his immune system is very weak. So what happened is that after he is tested positive, he has to be quarantined at home, okay? So what happened is that immediately I took 1 unit of IM laser, let him use every day. Passed to him and asked him to use every day. And of course, coupled with CV8, okay? And surprisingly, his condition, he already started to have sore throat and all these things already. No taste at all, okay? Surprisingly, just after 5 days, all these things resolved. Then after 1 week, he went for tests again, everything is negative. The recovery is so fast. While the friends, the same friends with him that tested positive, after 2 weeks, it's still not recovered yet. Okay, that is why I can quite sure that this IM laser definitely can help to boost up your immune system and fight against COVID-19.